to our channel, your one-stop destination for in-depth reviews and updates on all major automotive brands. Whether you're passionate about sedans, SUVs, bikes, or commercial vehicles, we cover everything from performance analysis to feature breakdowns, keeping you informed with the latest trends and launches across the motor industry. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Suzuki Bolan, a popular and practical minivan that continues to serve as a reliable choice for small businesses and families across Pakistan and other markets. Known for its compact size and efficient utility, the 2026 model has seen several important upgrades compared to its predecessors, making it more appealing to modern users. Under the hood, the 2026 Bolan comes with a fuel-efficient engine optimized for urban mobility and light commercial use. While the power output remains modest, the engine performance is smoother, and the vehicle now meets the latest emission standards. With improvements in suspension and drive feel, users can expect a more stable and comfortable ride even on uneven roads. In terms of design, the exterior retains its iconic van-like shape but introduces subtle changes including a redesigned front grille, updated headlights, and a slightly more aerodynamic body. These modifications not only give it a fresher look but also contribute to improved fuel economy. The size remains compact, allowing easy maneuvering in congested city streets and tight parking spots. Inside, the 2026 Bolan offers basic yet functional upgrades. The dashboard has been slightly modernized with better quality plastic and more intuitive control placements. Suzuki has also added a new digital instrument cluster and a basic infotainment setup in the higher trims, offering convenience and a touch of tech to users who seek value. Seating remains straightforward with ample space for passengers or cargo, depending on the configuration. The upholstery has also seen improvement in durability and comfort. Safety features have been slightly enhanced, with the inclusion of basic ABS and seatbelt reminders, although more advanced features are still missing due to the vehicle's affordability focus. This model is primarily built to serve its purpose efficiently while remaining budget-friendly. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Bolan continues to be a practical choice for those in need of a low-maintenance, multi-purpose vehicle. With its minor but meaningful upgrades, it remains an attractive option in its segment for both personal and commercial use. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest vehicles from all major motor brands, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more valuable content straight to you.